Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Hey everyone! So, you want your home-cooked meals to taste like they just came out of a bustling bazaar in the heart of the Middle East? I've got you covered. Today I'm counting down the top 10 Middle Eastern spices every home cook should know, and sharing how you can use them in your own kitchen. Let's kick it off with number 10, cardamom. This spice is a game changer for both sweet and savory dishes. Toss a few crushed pods in your coffee for an instant Middle Eastern twist, or add a pinch to rice pudding for that unforgettable aroma. Number 9 is allspice. Don't let the name fool you, it's not a blend, but a berry. Allspice gives depth to kebabs, kofta, and even tomato sauces. 1 teaspoon goes a long way. At 8 we've got za'atar. This isn't just one spice, but a blend, usually thyme, sesame, sumac, and salt. Sprinkle it over olive oil dipped bread, roast your chicken with it, or toss it into a salad for instant zing. Number 7, sumac. It's tangy, lemony, and perfect for people who want citrus flavor without the juice. Dust it over grilled veggies, fish, or even popcorn. Trust me, it's a flavor bomb. Coming in at 6 is cumin. Earthy, nutty, and warming, cumin is essential in everything from falafel to lentil soup. Toast it briefly in a dry pan to unlock its full power. Halfway there, number 5, coriander. Both the seeds and ground spice offer a citrusy, floral note. Add it to stews, marinades, or homemade spice rubs for that extra lift. Number 4, turmeric. Not only does it give food that stunning golden color, but it's also great for your health. Use it in rice, tagines, or even a golden milk latte. At 3 we have baharat. This is a classic spice blend. Think black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. Rub it on lamb or stir it into lentil dishes for warmth and depth. Number 2 is cinnamon, not just for sweets. In Middle Eastern cooking, cinnamon winds its way through savory stews and spiced rice. Try a stick in your next pot of lamb curry. And finally, number 1, saffron, the king of spices. Just a few threads add rich color and a subtle floral flavor to pilafs or desserts like Persian rice pudding. So, next time you're in the kitchen, reach for one or all of these Middle Eastern spices. Experiment, taste, and let your senses travel. Don't forget to share your creations in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Welcome to Afsan Farm Media Production, an oasis of tranquility nestled in the heart of California. Our farm is not just a production center. It's a sanctuary where we craft healthy and easy-to-cook meals using the freshest natural ingredients from our farm kitchen. Our mission is simple but powerful: to bring peace of mind to individuals weary of the demands of bustling city life.